Hola! Today I'm sharing this delicious traditional chicken stew. We start by making a flavorful sofrito with onion, salt, pepper, cumin, a teaspoon of ají panca or its substitute that I showed in my previous reel, ground garlic, apple cider vinegar, and chopped tomato. Once the sofrito is well cooked and full of flavor, add the chicken pieces and cook for 15 minutes. Then add the chopped potatoes and carrots and continue cooking for another 10 minutes until the chicken and vegetables are cooked. To finish, add fresh chopped coriander. Give everything a good stir and it's ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao!